playing for a while. Teddy, you want another present? You like that one. Nice, play nice. That thing's flashing, is it working?
Yeah. I don't know. It seems to be.
Wait, no, not this one yet. Go see Grandma. Go get Grandma. Teddy, go see Grandma. Grandma has it. Teddy, go see Grandma.
Teddy.
Teddy, here you go. Get Grandma's present. Get Grandma's present.
Oh boy, T. He liked the cat.
He'll go to everything. Oh, there you go. There you got Grandma's present. You want another present? Okay. No, not you.
Wow, T. It's a Valentine. Yellow one, but nevertheless.
You want another present? Teddy?
Go
This
see
is
Mommy.
from Daddy. You want this one? That's from Daddy. Oh, it's recording, right?
Yeah.
You didn't like Superman that much. You want another present? Another one? You want another one? This is from Mommy. I said, don't bite your feet. Easy, watch Grandma. Easy, bud. You okay? No, don't bite Grandma.
Wow, T.
You want another present? This is your last big present. Well, this one's gonna be a fun one, the video. Next one.
This one?
No, the next one. But leave it on, just keep taping. Eddie, you want this one? You're gonna like this one when you tear it open. It's your favorite. It's cheese doodles.
Gonna be brown snow out there.
Don't say it on the video. Happy birthday, Teddy Bear. Don't choke. You want to share some with Tiffy? Probably not.
Give Tiffy one. Or two.
I'll do her. It'll be inside. It's his birthday. Good job, Teddy Bear. Good job.
Well, that's the end of the cheese doodles.
Happy birthday, Teddy. Good job. Yay, Teddy. Happy birthday, sweetie bear. Go see Daddy. Look at Daddy. Oh, there's crumbs.